Hello friend, I'm Samadi back with new tutorial video regarding RCC lectures. So last video I will talk about introduction of PCC. So in case you missed this video, you will find the I button, just go and check out. So today we'll talk about RCC. So broadly I'm covering few things which are mentioned here, so that whole thing I covered in this video. So first we talk about what is RCC, what do you mean by RCC. Then we'll talk about where it is using. Then we talk about the some advantages, and as well as then we talk about some disadvantages. Okay, so without further delay, let's get started this video. So first we'll talk about what do you mean by RCC. First, I will say one thing. This RCC word is basically an abbreviation from. This R stand for reinforce. Reinforce. This C stand for cement, and this stand for concrete. Okay. So in last video, I mentioned advantage disadvantage of PCC. Okay, PCC I mentioned in disadvantage low tensile strength. Okay, low tensile strength. Now understand one thing. This is your beam. This is your beam. Any kind of loading applied here. So in this situation, the deflection pattern will be this. If deflection pattern will be this, then profile of a beam should be this. This is a beam profile where this zone, what happened? Compression force will generated, and this phase, what happened? Tension force generated. PCC is good for compression but not good for tension. So we have to think regarding this problem. So what scientists did, they are reinforcing the steel bar, which is good in tension, okay. So we can say as PCC is low tensile strength, okay, but improving this tensile strength, steel bar are reinforced with the concrete. Steel bar enforced with PCC, and that whole thing known as your RCC. I hope that is clear for you. What do you mean by RCC? Okay. So features of RCC. In RCC, concrete responsible for compressive, steel are responsible for tension. Concrete has low tensile strength and that should be not considered. Full tensile strength considered for steel. Okay, this is generally composite member, but as per design we assume this is a homogeneous, but here composite action depend on bond between steel and concrete, thermal expansion. Okay. Now we will talk about the uses. We are civil engineer. We are the RCC material. Everything in RCC, like you in daily, in every day you see the building is made by RCC. Then your flyover, then your any kind of road, then here comes the retaining wall, dam, everything, boiler, bunker, everything. So now we talk about some advantages, some disadvantages. First we'll talk about the advantages. We'll talk about the advantages. First we talk about the strength. Very good in carrying tensile strength as well as compressive strength. Durability. The durability is almost for 100 years. Mold ability, ease to ease to any architecture aspect. That means आप जैसे मोल्ड बनाओगे वो वैसे उसका शेप बन जाएंगे. Ductility, yes, as you use the steel is ductile material, so it is ductile, give you the proper burning time. Okay. Economy, yes, this more economy rather than steel structure, that is very famous. Then we talk about the fire resistance. Yes, it is fire resistance. That is why we provide the what? Clear cover to make it more fire resistance. Permeability, very much impermeable. That is why we provide the vibration or do good compaction. Seismic resistance, yes, it is. Why? When we talk about the load, we will talk about this. So I just write yes. And now we talk about few disadvantages, because everything has some advantages and some disadvantages. First, it is much heavier than other wood structure, glass structure. It's need lots of formwork, less reuse of formwork. But nowadays this is solved, but still it was a disadvantage. And concrete take time to reaches its full strength. Why? When you start the analysis part, you see 3 days. Oh no, when I cover in the IS code, there is mentioned 3-day strength, 7-day strength, 14-day strength, 28-day strength. In 28 days, they are achieving 99% to 100% strength. But first 3, 7, 14 days, they are not achieving the full strength. So this is a basic introduction of RCC, where I discuss what is the RCC, what do you mean by RCC, and then I talk about the features, then I talk about where it used and what is its advantages and disadvantages. Yeah, in next video I will talk about, and that is definitely lecture 3. I will talk about material used in RCC. Material used in RCC. So if you have any kind of doubt, do comment in comment section. I will definitely get back to you. And if you find some value from this video, definitely like the video, because it helps the algorithm. Share the video with your groups, because knowledge is ultimate thing to help to survive any kind of situation. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. With this said, meet with new video next week, lecture 3, material used in RCC.